Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I want to thank you all who supported me to grow my channel and showed your love. Today we are going to learn how to verify your Google Adsense account. I have received a Google Adsense account pin today. Let me open this. Now let's get back to our screen. I am just opening my Google Adsense account. To verify your account, simply go into Payments, then Verification Check. I have requested the PIN on 09 November and today is 30th December. So it took almost 20 days to reach my home. Let's put the PIN in 6 digits. So our verifications have been completed, but still, payments hold notification. Let's refresh the window, maybe the notification will go away. So finally we have verified our Google Adsense account. As my account monetized in the last of the month, so my first payment is just $3.52. Let's hope for the good. Thanks for your support. Please subscribe to my channel if you are new, and share with your friends who are struggling to verify their accounts.